Please welcome boxer James Pagaling, Raymart Gabalio.
Raymart.
When the
So if someone is watching from the crowd, uy, ayun, nagsalubungan po ng suntok itong dalawang fighters. Ayun! As you can see, natamaan po ng left hook itong si James Pagaling. Sakam na sakam po sa kanyang mukha, but he manages to stand up. And napakawala po ng dalawang body punch itong si Raymart Gabalio. I think we are seeing nearing Taking King event na naman po. Yan na, pa-bounce lang po si Raymart Gabalio as if he's stalking his prey like a wild lion. Okay, so ganito po ang mga fighters na natin, no? Tansyado na po yung mga punches nila, no? Kasi hindi na pwedeng makumpiyansahan yung mga fighter kasi nga ang mga fighters po ngayon ay magagaling na po din ang mga counter. So good for James Pagaling for recovering from that punch, no? Actually ang lakas-lakas nun. So what? Ayun! A delayed reaction! A body shot on the liver. Straight on the liver po mga kaibigan. I think this is done. This is done. Ayun nga. Uy, but no! James Pagaling. Weather the storm. Ang lakas po ng tao nito. Napakatapang. But that tapang will cost him major setbacks mga kaibigan. So we saw a first Taking King on the second round of this fight. Oh. No, so nanginginig sa sakit kanina si James Pagaling, but he manages to stand up and push his way through, no, for this fight. Ayun. So that's a thundering body shot. So sunod-sunod na body shot left and right po ng body. So last
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Papaabutin pa ata ito ni Raymart for the third round. Okay, so
And of the
good,
second
very
round.
good. Medyo pinatamaan niya po si Raymart Gabalio ng 1-2. Oops. Ginagaya ni James Pagaling ang hook stake ni Raymart Gabalio, pero it's a mile away difference po ng quality ng kanilang hook strike. So Raymart Gabalio is bobbing weaving.
Boxing resume.
Uy, ayun. Wala. Ayun. As you can see, palitan lang suntok. James Pagaling is not to be wag talagang kumpiyansa nito na fighter kasi nagpapatama siya ng malalakas na suntok every now and then, no? And nako-caught off guard din itong si Raymart Gabalio sa mga patama ni James Pagaling. Ayun na, what hook. Ayun, medyo nag-buckle down po ang tuhod ni James Pagaling dahil from that combination of a 1-2 hook. Ayun! That is an uppercut. No, it's a shoot to the body, a right hand to the body po sa solar plexus ni James Pagaling. So ayan na. Another
We have a winner by knockout victory. Ladies and gentlemen, Raymart the Assassin Gabalio.